Hey, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. If you're a subscriber, thanks for listening, and if you're new, welcome to the family. In today's video, we're doing a knotless braid from start to finish. If this is what we're seeing in this video, I want to hit that subscribe button. You know how we do it, girl. Let's get this party started, y'all. This is our base. This is what we're playing with today. Is the frontal wig. There's a link in the description but to see how this is done. Okay, right now I just ventilated 3 lines to the back. You want to cover the wig cap so well, so this is the 4th line. I don't want the video to be too long, so that's why I'm just doing this 4th line. So I see what I did. So I'm going to ventilate from one end to the other end, then begin to do like a smaller box, like a square shape on them. So just watch it and see what I'm going to be doing right now. Before I continue, but I just want to tell you, you have to always remember to trace your hairline before you start. Like I've already done that with pencil. I didn't do that, show you that part, because I have videos on how that is being done. Just wear the wig cap on your head and you trace it with a pencil so that the hair will just fit properly. Okay, so right now I'm beginning to do like smaller boxes, like a square shape on it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm ventilating it like square shaped, and I'll fill up the inside as well. I'm not just gonna ventilate the whole thing. I'll just do that straight line that I'm doing right now. Then when I'm done, I'll fill up the inside of the box. You can do it anyhow you want. You can just fill it up like anyhow you want it, and yeah. Okay, this for the front, we're gonna do the same thing we did at the back. We're gonna ventilate all the way to the back, then we do smaller boxes like so. Okay, now ventilated. Right now I'm about to just have to like do like square shapes on it, and yeah. Alright, now we're done with the ventilating part. Let's start braiding. This is color 39. I don't know, I just love red colored hair. I don't know. So it's gonna really blend with the black hair that we ventilated on our wig cap. Yeah. So I've already done one, excuse me. I already braided one, so let me just show you what went down. First of all, I want to start braiding first with the ventilated hair. You braid to an extent. You don't want to braid it for too long, maybe like 3 times or so, or 4 times. You braid it. You have to be really tight when you're braiding it. Then when you're done braiding, you pick up your colored hair. You're gonna put it across. Then you take one and hold it and braid. You take the other end and take it away like that until I like to, poke nose in Family Matters. Then you bring her back into the meeting like so. Then you braid again. You're gonna take another one and do the same thing. You put it across. You braid with one part of it. You take out the other side. You braid again like so. After braiding again, excuse me. After braiding again, you're gonna take the one that you took out. You're gonna bring her back into the system. Then you braid again. So you're gonna be doing that until you get the density of hair you want. Some people might want to be very, very fat braids. Some people might want it to be very, very slim or thin braids. So at this point, I didn't want mine to be too big. Just wanted to be okay. So I did like 3 times. Yeah, 3 times, and that was enough for me. Yeah. So now you just start braiding all the way to the down of the braid, and yeah, that's how you do your knotless braid. Yeah.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know it.
Okay, now we've done the back. Can see how it really covered the wig cap, so it's not going to be showing your wig cap when you put it on. So the back is very, very important. So you should have more hair at the back. It's a wig, it's not a real cap, so you have to really cover the wig cap so well. So I'll just go ahead and continue doing the other side of the hair. Yeah. So yeah, so this is the other side. We've done one side. As you can see, our knotless braid is popping. I'm so excited. I can't wait to rock this hair. So it's popping, y'all. So I'll just go ahead and finish up the hair off camera, and I will be back. So this is what it looks like. We are almost done. I've not finished the tips of the hair. I'll do that later on. Yeah. So I'll just go ahead and fill up the back and put my baby hair, and I don't do all that because this video will just be too long unnecessarily. So we'll just go ahead and fill up the back, finish up the mouth of the hair, and do our baby hair. So I will be right back in a bit. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you